down. Pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Pizza.
But I want to video you. This is what happens when I bring the camera out. You're both fascinated with the camera, but Mommy wants to tape you guys. I want to put you on the camera.
Pizza.
Yeah, can you see? Oh, Clara. Yeah, is that a puppa?
It's a papa.
Is that a sippy? That's your sippy. That's your sippy. Better go get it. It's your sippy. You give your sippy a hug? Oh, how nice. Give your sippy a kiss? Better close the door. Hey, Ruby. Yes, it's the camera. It's pictures.
Video.
Video. Yeah, it's video. It's video. It's Clara.
The door.
That's the door. Clara, close the door.
Froggy. I know.
What?
Froggy.
Is that a frog?
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, thank you, Clara. Is it a dress? It's a dress. Can we have video of Ruby?
Ruby.
Yeah, I want to see Ruby. Well, I don't, there's the potty. Do you need the potty? Do you have to go potty, Ruby? Oh, thank you, Clara. That's nice of you. Thanks. Thank you.
Baby.
It's Clara. Can we do some video of Ruby? Can you dance or something? Yeah! Woohoo! All right. Can you dance? No dancing today? Applesauce. We're going to have French fries and hot dogs and chicken. Is that cool? You said cool, yeah. It's cool. Oh, good letters.
79.
79? 79. Q? Good job.
Afterwards, he said he could have taken on a couple more pies. Today also featured music, horseshoe tournament, a dunk tank, and even a mechanical bull. Today was a fundraiser for the community's new
Counting.
facility.
Clara.
Yep, that's Clara. Is Clara silly? Oh, that's nice. Ruby, are you going to do a dance? Oh, Clara dancing. Are you dancing? Oh, good dancing.
Learn how you can grow your savings and not pay tax with the new tax-free savings account. Call Marion Humphrey
Pretty good
Financial
dancing.
Consulting, Interglobe Financial Services Corporation in the Cedar Point Plaza, 523-1683.
Okay. Might be more light here.
Yeah.
Ruby, are you gonna dance? Was that dancing? Wow. Good. Oh, Clara's dancing too. It's a different type of dance.
Sharp.
Hmm?
A shirt.
Why do I have to sit in a chair?
Yes.
You sit in the chair. Oh.
Provide the
Here's the other potty. Potty that you never use. Clara. Hi, Clara. Oh. Hey, will you give Clara a hug? Give Clara a hug. Oh, are you upset? Clara sucky? Give Clara a hug. Oh, how nice. That's a nice hug. That's nice. There they go.